This is a pan bagnat.
Ooh, well, there's bread involved, because I know that's what pan is.
Pan is bread, and what this basically means is bathed bread.
Yeah.
Ooh.
And it's bathed in olive oil and some other ingredients. This is a peasant dish from the south of France, and it's basically a niçoise salad stuffed into bread.
Brilliant.
It is one of the most delicious things that I remember to this day tasting it.
Me too.
In the south of France, it was made, and you make it a day ahead.
Oh, yeah, it's got to soak in.
So it's a very simple recipe. Fresh baguette. Cut it in half, and then what she's gonna do is take a little canal, like a French canal.
Got it.
A little bit of bread out.
The River Seine, right?
The River Seine, just a bit. Not
I'm
because
all
we're
about
cutting
that.
down on carbs, but the sandwich works a bit better when we do this. So I'm gonna make a condiment I've made here on the kitchen before. It's called a tapenade, which is, to me, one of this top 5 condiment of all time.
I like that.
Without question. So, pitted niçoise or calamata. I like calamata simply because niçoise, they're a little tiny,
Yeah,
and
they
they're
got
packed
the
in
pits.
oil.
Yeah,
And they're
it's
like
too much.
oily. But there's
Yeah.
enough oil going on here.
Okay.
Then I'm using these, what are these called again? Castle something?
Castle Vetrano.
I could never, I always
Castle
confuse
Vetrano.
this with the lettuce, which is called Castle Franco.
Those are
Castle Franco,
Italian,
right?
Right? So these are green, but remember, all olives start out as green, and then when they get sweeter and older, they turn dark.
Oh, I gotta get a little F for the
Mother Nature.
Capers.
routine.
Capers in.
Olive oil,
Yup.
good olive oil.
Okay.
A generous amount of anchovies.
Come on.
This
Okay.
is like
So much flavor in this.
Garlic,
Yeah.
1.
parsley, or as we say in Boston, parsley.
Okay.
Again, a glug of pepper.
A glug. I thought glug was a liquid term.
I just made that up.
I know, we could tell.
When you're in the south of France, it's for anything.
Doesn't matter.
Gotta workshop that.
You do need a little salt in this, believe it or not, even though
Yeah?
there's not a lot of anchovies. Just a little bit of salt.
Okay.
And then that's it. And then you put this in a jar, cover it with a little olive oil, stays for weeks. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we got baguette,
There's so much flavor in that tapenade. What else might you use it on?
lamb chops. Like it's insane. You're like, wow. Or veal. You notice how we didn't put a ton of olive oil.
No.
Just
it
want
looked
to
like
get it going.
Well, there's
Not even
already
quarter of a cup.
oil in those olives.
Yep. All right, we're gonna put this over here. That's done. You have my beautiful baguette. Now we have the next step. This is tuna, tono, and the fillets in olive oil. Really important.
that
the
good
good
stuff.
stuff.
Good
Yeah.
stuff. Another level of olives.
Okay.
More olives.
Another level of parsley.
We're gonna need a big jug of water.
And another level of capers.
Okay.
Wow.
I might be able to take off my watch at the end of the day. It's gonna
Yeah.
be like fused to my skin.
Now I'm just gonna take it like this and let it, this should sit
And
for
just
just
like
to
a
marry.
gentle stir, it looks
Gentle.
like. You're not tearing that tuna up.
I like the chunkiness of this.
It's gotta be chunky. We have a little arugula. Obviously, I like the one that tastes peppery, but you can use watercress or arugula. And we're just gonna dress that with a touch of white wine vinegar.
Come on, Jeezy.
Is that your Chardonnay vinegar?
Yes, or white wine. And a little lemon juice. Would you cut that and put a little salt and pepper in there for me? Season it. And here we go. We're gonna assemble.
All right.
Assemblage. What do we need? Plastic wrap.
Gotta
Love it.
wrap it.
Love a wrap thing.
Okay, let's go.
Oh, spread it.
Starts with the top.
Right in that little boat.
Right in the boat.
Right in the gnu.
Look at that.
This.
So both sides, you do the
Both
tapenade.
sides. So we're just gonna put this right in the center
Is
of
this
the
crust
sandwich.
to crust of the ultimate level, or do you
Yeah,
think
I
the baguette ends don't
How
make
would you
it
say
qualify?
crust to crush in Francais?
Go ahead.
Croûte à croûte.
Croûte à croûte.
Eh
Is a
oui.
must. And how do you say is a bust then?
Unnecessaire.
Imperative.
Imperative that you croûte
yeah.
on croûte.
Notice there's no green around.
Yeah, because you did it right.
You
Do it right, which means boiling water. Then you put the eggs in gently, 12 minutes exactly for a hard-boiled egg. And you won't get that green. It's caused by sulfur. And you know, we put them cold. People put it in water cold and boil it up.
And it
And
extracts
you get
it
that
out.
green thing. Not good. Okay.
Okay, load it
You
up.
ready for this?
So much protein, too,
Yeah,
if you think
very
about
much.
it.
This is so healthy.
Are you gonna season those, or are you just gonna leave them?
You know what? I'm going to season them.
Yeah. Oh, oh.
Whoa, whoa. Whoa, he's getting crazy up in here.
We have arugula. We
Okay.
put a lot of this, and
I
it's
see
a
that.
good amount of vinegar. You're going to see why when you eat. Now, are you ready?
Yes. Come on.
Wow.
Solid.
C'est bon.
I never
Qu'est-ce que
seen
c'est
him like
bon.
this
There you go.
before.
Clean up.
Laissez le plat râpé farci.
So a little tip. Do we have a wet rag here?
Yeah.
A little tip if you want the plastic to stay better, you just wet the board.
Oh,
Oh,
really?
I love that.
That's a great tip, Geoffrey.
Jeezy, I love that tip.
You know, if you don't have plastic wrap, you could totally use tinfoil.
Totally.
Yep.
Totally.
I feel like parchment would be like a nice
I would
picnic
love
vibe.
parchment. That would
just
bring
think-
us to New Jersey.
We're just gonna overlap this.
All right, double.
Take our
double,
monster
double.
sandwich whole.
Whoa.
Oh, okay.
What are some other sandwiches that are aged well?
Italian,
Yeah.
hoagie.
Anything
Yeah.
Italian.
I need it to soak in.
Couple hours.
Anything vinegar-based.
Muffaletta.
Oh, muffaletta, you gotta have the
Muffalettas are
second
good.
day. Yeah.
So we're just
I'm
rolling
saying
this
meatball
tight.
sub.
Meatball sub.
I love when it gets all like soaked in.
And it's like,
Come on,
what do you, it's like
Jeezy.
almost liquid.
Look at that, Jeffrey.
Look at that.
I feel like if you were in the south of France and you stopped in a little, even a gas station.
Give me a little
They have
half
them.
paper
They're everywhere.
bag with that.
They're everywhere, and some are good, some are great. All right, are we ready?
They often
Yes.
make them in like a square little roll.
Come on, I need you.
Yeah.
I need you to help me now. This is a
What do you want me to
Come
do?
in the fridge.
This sandwich
What?
weighs like 15 pounds, by the way.
Right?
I saw you straight. You're like,
Heavy lifting
saw
over
a bead
there.
of sweat.
Put that in the fridge 24 hours.
Oh.
You cannot
Now
have.
we're in the south of France.
You cannot have a bambagna without rosé
Well, what about some beer?
or beer, but come on, we're in the south of France. So what you do is you put it like this. You take it in your little bag with your wine, and you go, and you don't unwrap it.
No.
You do not unwrap it.
You gonna cut through the plastic?
Yes.
Come on, GZ.
All ready? So
I'm gonna break my no wine. I'm gonna drink the wine just like y'all, okay?
let's cut that in half. Jeff,
When in France.
a little drum roll.
It's the old saying.
You gonna give us a, look, he about to give us the dissection.
Cheesy.
Look at that. Look at that.
Ooh, saturation.
Pure saturation.
And you know, if you're in a deli, that's what you do, right? You stack
Stack
everything.
them. That's beautiful. That's a great cross.
All right,
section,
so-
I'm so
Jeffrey.
scared for my
Girl,
coordination.
yeah.
I'm serving
No,
you.
I'm making sure. Oh, you gonna walk with that?
I am.
Oh.
Enjoy.
Look at you, sir. This is so lovely.
Bon
Thank you.
appetit.
Take that one right there. Be careful.
Bon appetit.
Merci beaucoup.
Merci
Like Julia
beaucoup.
Child says, bon appetit.
He's got little petite sandwiches for us.
Well, there's many more. You see, this baby here could pop right back in the fridge if you don't.
And it's
sit.
really all you need is a couple segments, you know?
Oh, I could destroy that whole thing. Trust me. And when you taste the bread when it's cold,
Yeah.
it's a different sandwich, right?
It's beautiful.
C'est parfait.
Oh, wow.
You know what you say in France? C'est nickel.
It's a good tuna. You gotta get that good tuna.
I think my favorite part is the eggs, or how Jeff says it, the eggs.
Eggs.
I love it because no matter where it shows up, the yolk brings a little bit of creamy vibe.
Yep.
You know what I mean?
It's like mayonnaise.
What is this? Pan Bagnat?
Pan Bagnat.
Pan Bagnat. It's Banyan.
Nice
It's Banyan.